Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing a little update of what I'm doing on the sides of my mantle. I mentioned in a previous video that I was going to be updating these two pictures, and I'm going to be doing that right now. So I'm going to share with you what I'm doing. It's a very simple thing. I'm hoping it comes out nice, and if you're interested in what I'm putting together, then I hope you keep watching. I have my roll of craft paper here. I'm going to be taking strips of this 22 inches wide by 36 inches long, and I'm going to be laying out some of these leaves. I'm going to be using these as like stencils, and then I'm going to just spray paint over the leaves with these three colors, same as the pumpkins that are on my mantle right now. And then I'm going to hang these off of these sticks. I just found two similar sticks in the yard, and these will attach. I'll have a string attached to this, and then I'll hang the paper from each one of these larger sticks, and then I'll put one of these thinner sticks at the bottom of the page just to give it some weight at the bottom. And I'm gonna cut those down to size, lay out the paper, spray paint the leaves on, and just go through all the steps. So let's get right into it. This did not go according to plan. I ran out of paint and I'm not doing it over, so we're just gonna move on and continue as if it worked out on the other side. Let's just try it. I do like the ombre paint, but it didn't come out at all nearly what I wanted. So I think I'm going to change it up. I'm going to hang it from the bottom. I am going to still use these. What I think I'm going to do is either paint these in with white paint or just glue down the actual leaves. Or I might go in, I think I'm going to go in with the white paint and try to touch these up, because I don't want the actual leaves to be on these. So, and then because the brown didn't color as good, I think I might put this at the top and cover most of it with the piece of with the stick hanging. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna go in and touch these areas up with white paint. I'm going to be using this metallic paint in the color White Pearl to go over where the leaves were. And I already started this one here. As you could see, this was not my original plan. Of course, projects don't always go according to plan. So I'm just showing how I'm going to be trying to make this work. And this side is not done. This side is. I'm gonna let this dry and work on this side, and then I'm gonna attach the sticks and hang these up. And however they look is how they look. Now I'm just going to cut 2 strips of seagrass and use that to hang these. And I'll glue these to the backs of the sticks. So instead of gluing the seagrass to the stick, I just used a push pin at the end, and I added some glue to that and then pushed it in on both sides. This is how I'm going to keep it. I was originally going to glue the thinner stick to the bottom, but I changed my mind. I'm just going to leave it like this. But I'm going to go to the other side here and put this one up.